How to delete messages on Pinterest. Hey everybody, in this tutorial we're going to see how you can easily delete or hide any messages on the Pinterest app. So the first thing you're going to have to do is open up Pinterest and just make sure that you are logged in to your account. Once you are logged in, just simply go ahead and find the profile icon at the bottom right corner, and right besides that you will have your chat icon. Tap on it. On your inbox, you can find your recent chats. So if you go to messages and then tap on see all, you should be able to see your messages and the people you've contacted before. So let me just head over to this chat. Now here you can type in any messages. But if I want to delete any particular message, if I just long press and hold on it, there is no option to delete. I can only copy and reply to the message. So Pinterest does not actually allow you to delete any particular message, but what you can do is hide the general chat so that it's not visible on your inbox. In order to hide the chat, you just have to tap on the three lines or the three dots at the top right corner of your chat, and it will take you directly to message settings. And at the bottom, you'll find the option to hide conversation. Just tap on it. Now the messages will be hidden, so if you just refresh it, and once the messages are refreshed, it will be hidden from your inbox. Now if you want to message them again, you just need to go ahead and search for their name and then tap on next, and then you can start chatting again, but you can just go ahead and hide it like that on Pinterest. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.